Number 4, any lead source that you want to tackle, 2 things. Number 1, you got to immerse yourself in developing that skill set. So if you really would like to maximize on open houses, become the best at holding open houses. If you really want to focus on leads, online leads, buyer leads, do your best in getting better with scripts, objection handlers, dialogues, and offering value. But number 2, you're also got to be able to do this for the next 90 days. Nothing is going to happen overnight. You're going to do open houses where people are not going to show up. You're going to do open houses where people that show up with the agents. But that's part of the process. We have to trust the process to disattach ourselves from the outcome. But it has to be done for the next 90 days. And you have to double down, by the way. And everything that you have done in the last year, year and a half, 2 years, you have to double down, you have to triple down, you have to quadruple down your efforts, your time spent, because it's harder to get business right now, and it will continue to get harder.